Welcome to Kishore's NEET Pathshala. In this video lecture, we will see about the concept of acceleration due to gravity above and below the surface of the earth. And this is the most important concept, and they will ask many numericals from this concept in NEET exam. First, let us see what is the acceleration due to gravity. It is denoted by the letter G. At surface of the earth, that is at surface of that at this point, acceleration due to gravity value is G, that is 10 ms power minus 2. When you go above the earth, that is above from the surface of the earth, or when you go deep into the earth, both the times the acceleration due to gravity value decreases. Both the times acceleration due to gravity value decreases. Now let us find what is the acceleration due to gravity at a height h. At height h, acceleration due to gravity g dash, it is given by g into r by r plus h the whole square. R is the radius and h is the height. Okay, that we can also represent by g into 1 minus 2h by r cube. Both the formulas find applications according to the conditions they have given in the question. You want to find whether this formula to use or this formula to use. G into r by r plus h the whole square, that is equal to g into 1 minus 2h by r, where r is the radius. Now let us find what is the acceleration due to gravity at depth d. Okay, when you move inside the earth also, acceleration due to gravity value decreases. So g dash at depth d is equal to g into 1 minus d by r, where d is the depth from the surface. Now what are the formulas we have learned? Let us recall. At surface value is g. At height h, g dash is equal to g into r by r plus h the whole square, that is equal to g into 1 minus 2h by r. At depth d, g dash is equal to g into 1 minus d by r. Now let us see certain important applications. First question, if acceleration due to gravity at height h is equal to acceleration due to gravity at depth d, so g at h is equal to g at d. So what is the formula for height at a height h? G into 1 minus 2h by r. At depth d, g into 1 minus d by r. If we compare both the sides of this, g cancel and we get d is equal to 2h. This is the important application and it is a previous year question application too. Okay, now let us see the next question. At what height acceleration due to gravity will be reduced to 36% of its value on the surface of the earth? So at some height the value is 36%, that is 36% by g on surface of the earth. So we know the formula, g dash is equal to g into r by r plus h the whole square. So g dash is 36 by 100 g, that is equal to g into r by r plus h the whole square. So g and g get cancelled, and if I take square root on both sides, then it is 6 by 10 is equal to r by r plus h. So which is 6r plus 6h is equal to 10r. So 6h is equal to 4r and h is equal to 2r by 3, which is 2 into, what is the radius of earth? It is 6400 kilometer divided by 3. At this height, acceleration due to gravity value will be reduced to 36% of its value on the surface of the earth. Okay, now let us see the next numerical. At what height acceleration due to gravity reduces by 1%? See here, by is given. In the previous question 2 is given. See here, in this previous question the word 2 is given. Okay, but you see in this question they have given by 1%. So what is the formula we have learned? G dash is equal to g into 1 minus 2h by r. So g dash is equal to g into g minus 2hg by r. If I do further more steps, I get g minus g dash by g is equal to 2h by r. So which is delta g by g is equal to 2h by r. Okay, at height h. Another one application, at depth d, delta g by g is equal to d by r. Minus 2h by r minus d by re. So they are given at what height acceleration due to gravity reduces by 1%. So 1 by 100 is equal to 1%, that is 2 into h we want to find by radius of earth is 6400 kilometer. This and this 2 zeros get cancelled and 32, and height is 32 kilometer. So at 32 kilometer from surface of the earth, acceleration due to gravity reduces by 1%. Now this is the very important previous year application. A body weighs 200 Newton on surface of the earth. At how much how much it will weigh half away down the center of earth. So at surface of the earth 200 Newton, at half away, that is at a distance of radius by 2, this is the radius, and at this distance, okay, that is half of the radius down this distance, what will be its weight they are asking. At depth d, g dash is equal to g into 1 minus d by re. So to convert it into weight, I am multiplying by mass on both sides. So mg dash is equal to mg into 1 minus d by re. This is the weight on surface and this is the weight on depth d. So surface weight is 200 Newton they have given, 1 minus depth is radius by 2 into r. So this and this get cancelled. So that is equal to 200 into 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, that is equal to 100 Newton. So at half a way down to the center of the earth, the weight is 100 Newton. I hope you like this lecture. If you like this lecture, please subscribe Kishore's NEET Pathasala and like, share and comment. Thank you.